Welcome to this quick update on network experiments. So pretty short, but we start in the same way. So in effect, we've had the dashboard for a while, and each of these are basically network experiments. But this top half is the ones I've already joined. This is a work in progress, but you then click and you get the dashboard, and the two main ones I use is my wearable one and this environmental one. I've been dabbling with these other ones. But we now have this new button, view all the network experiments. So here's all the ones that are on the network that I potentially could join. So I've just displayed those below. So for example, we have this one to do with nutrition. So I click join, and then the question is, the open question, what happens next?